Hello friends, let's fix your center stop lamp light. So when you brake, it looks like this. That looks good, right? Let's get started. Open the driver's side door. Release the trunk. Now, the trunk is open. So the way to access the bulb is from right underneath the light. Okay? That is the bulb holder and that is the electrical connector. We need to take the electrical connector out. So pinch it on the bottom there and pull it out. Now take the bulb holder and twist it to the left. And now it should just come right out. Now the way to take the bulb out is to first push it down and then twist it to the left. Down, left, out. Get the new bulb. Align the pins on the bulb with the slots on the bulb holder there. Put the bulb in, push it down, twist it right. Done. Now when you're putting it back, that big slot there, it faces to the rear of the car. Okay, now twist the bulb holder right to secure it in place. Alright, now take the electrical connector and put it back in place. It just goes in one way. Just push it in. Let's try it out. Hey, that works! Great!